After Satya Sai Bhagavan, have you seen anybody guiding the entire human species through religion of love? Nobody has seen singularly with powerful cosmic consciousness guiding, guarding, protecting human species than ME spirituality of super consciousness. Can that be a blemish on spirituality? I say Nijasai groups are not ordinary groups. They have definite purpose, definite versions to feel their own presence, to create destiny for human species and for their own beautiful life, wonderful life, cosmic realities. Cosmos is the ultimate direct space for missiles. They are not limited within any peripheries of human habitations. That's why they are souls gathering with love and truth in it. Not complicated belief systems of rituals of those kind that never gives any evolution. So millennium evolution is the subject. Who can guide, guard, protect that type of awareness? Only those who are descended to this planet. That is where business, spirituality and prosperity together concept is with the visionary way of the future generations to live and lead a wonderful life of salvation, liberated life. Purposeful engagement, cosmic realities. So guiding, guarding, protecting me brand souls means there is some definite visionary ways, messengers of love and religion of love, and its orbital secure space of 22 bars 7-9 guarantees not only evolution but also the highest education, higher, highest, high threes. Can that be a wrong thing for human beings? So only those who can digest that type of awareness will get into M is spirituality. So it cannot be a joke. It's reality happening in front of you and me with the universal heart to keep the strength of vitality of yogic life. Precise concept, clarity of a vision and a mission. Why fear when somebody is guiding, guarding, protecting spirituality of missiles to Sai consciousness? It is luxurious and royal, kingdom of missiles. Who loves to be miserable in living conditions? All those who really want a beautiful life in this planet should think about the future. I do not follow any of the existing religions. My religion is religion of yogic love, religion of love. Roll it on. That is the quintessence of all religions. And there is more meaning for undertaking responsible roles through bachelor bungalow souls and spinster bungalow souls elderly Bangladesh souls to create destiny through the vision of the future. Next 21 years, pure vegetarians are promoted. Those who are loving the entire human species will never deny ME spirituality. Those who are deliberately competing with ME spirituality with their own outdated syllabuses, they are doing harm to human species. So all the past religions have slow evolutionary process. The fastest evolution in the history of humankind is proposed through Nij Yoga system of evolution, Nij Yoga meditations, Nij Yogic life under Nij Raj Yogic tree. Plant beautiful trees and create that type of atmosphere to breathe fresh air, good air, not contaminated air, and the vastness of the heart through Nija Sagar with cosmic awareness. And cosmic reality bestows that type of grace to every soul in me unit space, wireless space. Straight? Few words only for me souls who are going to join me unit. Organizers and co-organizers, captains and co-captains, creators and co-creators, talent organizers, vision organizers, thought leaders, marketing organizers. It's a beautiful life. Create huge wealth through ME spirituality, Nija Sai groups. Love to you all. Flowerovoyant. Flowerovoyants, the responsible women leaders for a new millennium. They can create destiny for the womankind. Men on business, women on business. Highest 3 syllabus, Nija Sagar. Fly so high in tune with creating destiny through organizing me unit space. Marketing organizers, talent organizers, thought leaders, vision organizers. Organizing way is quite interesting, especially in this new millennium period. What I feel is that all those strong women, they should never do any security work. They are not dogs. They are gods. They should know how to create destiny through their own inbuilt spirituality. Me unit space, power manifestation souls, power manifestation categories, power manifestation groups. In investing in ME unit space. Without wealthy conditions, there cannot be proper living conditions. So create abundance through Nij Raj Yogic tree. Straight love to you all.